In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to a new email in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Gmail's URL, or find it quickly by searching Gmail login in your search engine and following the prompt to the login page. Enter your account credentials and you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, let's locate the settings. Look to the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find a small gear icon which represents settings. It might take a moment for all the options to load, so just be patient for a few seconds. Click on that gear icon and a drop down menu will appear. From there you'll see an option that says see all settings. Go ahead and click on that to open Gmail's complete settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, we'll need to move to a particular tab. At the top of the settings page you'll see several categories laid out horizontally. Look for the forwarding and pop IMAP tab. It's usually the fourth or fifth option from the left. Click on it to enter the section where you can manage your email forwarding preferences. In this section you'll see a few different blocks of options. The one we want to focus on is the forwarding section. What you'll want to do next is click on the add a forwarding address button. This is where you'll enter the new email address that you want your emails to be forwarded to. After you click this button, a small pop-up will appear asking for the email address where you'd like to forward your messages. Carefully type in the new email address. Make sure you double check this address for any typos because you want to ensure that all your important emails are sent to the right place. Once you've entered the new email address and confirmed it, Gmail will send a verification email to that address. This step is essential because it confirms that you actually own the new email address and that it's functioning properly. For this, you'll need access to the new email account. Head over there and look for the verification email from Gmail. Click the confirmation link in the email, and once that's done, your setup will be complete. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email forwarding in Google Workspace. Now, all incoming emails to your original Gmail will be automatically forwarded to your new address. This is especially handy when transitioning to a new email or managing different accounts at once. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.